Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. And as you can see, on the third position we've got date and time, so let's enter, and here we've got the date, time and time zone options, which are right now turned off because we are using, or your device is using, a network provided time. So first of all, we have to turn off those options, and now we can freely tap on date, and from this calendar pick the date we want to use. So for example, this one. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, and just pick the time you'd like to set from the clock. So first of all, hours and then minutes. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied here. What's more, it will be visible on the status bar. We can change the time zone just by tapping on it. Tap on the region, and here you can pick the one you'd like to set. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to use and tap on it. So let me pick randomly this one, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Under it, we've got the time format section, so we can use local default, or we can decide, let's say, manually. So right now we are using 24-hour format, but if you'd like to use 12-hour format, just turn off this option and it will be immediately applied also. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here to use network provided time and time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to change the date and time in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.